Hello everyone, this is Dawn with twiceshearedsheep.com, and today I'm going to show you real quick how to slip the first stitch of your knitting. Why would you want to slip the first stitch of your knitting? If you just knit normally, this is the kind of edge that you get. You see it's kind of laddery and is not as easy to pick up and doesn't look quite as nice as down here where I have slipped the first stitch of every row, and it makes kind of this nice little braided edge along the edge, and it is super easy to find that edge stitch to be able to pick it up if you're going to put an edging on it, or it just looks really nice and pretty for the edge of a scarf just the way that it is. Normally your yarn is in the back and you're going to want to stick your needle through to slip as if you're going to purl it, and that doesn't reorient your stitch. And then you knit your next stitch. However, that's not the way that you're going to want to do it to get that pretty edge. What you're going to want to do is when you come around the end, instead of flipping your yarn to the back, keep your yarn in the front and slip your stitch as if to purl, then put your yarn in the back in between those two stitches. And that's what's going to give you that pretty edge. It's going to twist that stitch sideways so that it lays flat along the side, and that's what's going to give you that pretty edge. That's it. Super simple. It'll give you a pretty edge on all of your knitting. If you liked this tip, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.